How to download and install Hula AI photo video generator. Let's get started. Launch your app store. Now in the search box type in the app name Hula AI and then search for it. With that app will appear. Click on it. Now you're gonna get this option get. Clicking on that, your Face ID will be enabled or you'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID's password. After you complete this process, the download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of its download process, launch it and use it. And that's it. This way you can easily download and install Hula AI photo video generator app on your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.